Yo, what's up, YouTube? Just made this 6-shot slide type of rack. Just wanted to show you guys, talk about it, tell you the reasons why I've been liking this type of slide rack more than just a generic 6-shot rack. First of all, you can use the tubes that came or that do come with your canister shell kits, like this. It's a pretty neat, simple design. You can just slide in and slide out the tubes like that. It also works with fiberglass. See right there, easy, no problem. But I'll be using HDPE just because it's better. They last forever. Stronger also. Whenever you're done, say with a fiberglass tube, you can toss it. Whenever you buy new canister shell kits, they come with more tubes, so you could just reload the new fiberglass tube in this rack, slide rack. And what I also like about this rack is that it's actually pretty sturdy. It's solid, man. It's not gonna go anywhere. Got the extra stability and tip right there at the end. Say for example, if you have a shell blow early or blow inside the tube, it's not going to destroy this rack. They're spread apart pretty good enough that if that were to happen, if a shell were to explode inside here, it should not affect the next tube. I mean, it could, but you're still pretty safe like this, especially like myself. When I'm lighting off, when I do my fireworks, when I light off my fireworks, I'm like in the backyard, I'm on the street, I'm next to cars and other houses. So if when something bad happens like that, it could be pretty dangerous. So that's why I think I'm starting to build more of these type of racks. You won't have, like in a regular generic 6-shot rack, you don't have this piece right here and this piece that's going across over here, that if a shell were to break inside of a tube, you won't have, pieces of wood flying everywhere. And this rack is actually very easy to build. I have another 6-shot slide rack like this, but instead of screws, I used staples and glue. This, you can see I use screws. It's even easier. Just need a drill. That's it. I'll give you the dimensions in the description if you guys want to try and build one yourself. Again, it's super easy. From here to here is 27.5 inches. From here to here is 7 inches. And this part right here is a foot long. Let's see what the bottom looks like. The side. And you know what? Last year, I had a shell break early on me while I was using this type of 6-shot rack, and it blew the tube up. I was using a fiberglass tube, and it blew the top of this tube off. I believe if I were using a regular 6-shot rack that has, you know, the wood right here and across over here, or even like on the side, that like a 2x4, I think that rack would have been, you know, destroyed. But because I was using this type of rack where there isn't any wood holding here, it's just held down by this here. It's better. I believe so. At least for me, where when I'm like lighting off in the backyard or in the middle of the street. But yeah, just wanted to show that. If you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comment. I'll try to answer every single one. And again, I'll leave the dimensions of the wood in the description. So if you guys want to try and build one yourself, you can. Just need some screws, wood, a drill, or you can use staples and glue like I did on my other rack, but I use screws because I don't have a compressor right now. And it's just as easy, super simple. Did not take me long to build this at all. I'll show this backside. But yeah, man, I'm liking this type of rack. Solid. It won't tip over. Pretty heavy. I mean, not heavy, but it's not gonna. It's heavy enough where it won't tip over, and it's light. It's actually light. I can pick it up like this, no problem. Super easy. But yeah, there it is. 6-shot slide rack. Yep.